Let's talk about how organizations, projects, and billing work inside Google BigQuery. Take a look at this diagram. We are starting with the organization. The organization contains projects. We can have as many projects as we want. Each project is compound of datasets and tables. In this case, we are having project A, project B, project C, and project D. You will notice that when you create your Google Cloud account, your first project will be named My First Project. Each project will be linked to a billing account. In this case, in scenario A, we are linking all of our projects to just one billing account, but you can have more than one billing account inside BigQuery. So whenever you create a project, you will have to assign the billing account that will be charged for that project. And that is scenario B. In this case, we're having a billing account number 1 with project A, project B, and project C, and another billing account that will be charged for project D, and so forth. This is how organizations, projects, and billing work inside Google BigQuery. Now let's take a look inside the console so you can have a better understanding of this. Here I am in my Google Cloud account. You can see that right now I am under my organization, Porter Metrics here. If I click on it, then this panel will appear showing me my organization and the projects under it. If I click on the three dots at the top right of the panel, and then I click on Manage Resources, I will see this more clearly. You can see here Porter Metrics, my organization, and under Porter Metrics, all my projects, Marketing Data Test project, my first project, and the Default Gemini project. You can see that Marketing Data Test project in the column of charges, it says COP 0. That's because this project is linked to a billing account. In case I want to connect another project to a billing account, I will have to do the following. Let's take as an example my first project. I go to the three dots in the right, I click on them, then I click on billing, and then I will be redirected to this page. I have to click on link a billing account so that I can choose the billing account that I want to be charged for that specific project. And that's how organizations, projects, and billing work inside Google BigQuery. Now, let's talk a little bit on how you can remain free using Google BigQuery. When you create a Google Cloud account, they offer you a free tier. This free tier gives you 10 gigabytes of storage monthly and 1 terabyte of queries monthly. If you exceed these limits, then you will be charged.